This tutorial shows how to fabricate a transradial test socket using ThermoLyn Supra flexible and synthetic casting tape. Start by drilling a 1 mm hole distally. Now attach the tube dummy to the plaster model. Use plastiline putty to fix the tube dummy in place. Then, use a 5 mm transparent ThermoLyn Supra flexible sheet to form the test socket. Shape it over the cast using the drape technique. Roughly trim the excess material. Then, use a sewing thread to make a clean cut close to the socket. Smooth the seam using a pressure roller. Wrap a 1 mm polyethylene sheet around the lamination dummy, leaving about 1 cm exposed at the distal end. Align the polyethylene shell along the residual limb and adjust its length according to the olecranon to wrist measurement. Fix the shell to the model. Then pull a nylon stockinette over the model and cover it with plastic wrap. Now wrap the model with synthetic casting tape. Be sure to apply the material with overlapping turns, using about 2 layers at the wrist and 4 layers at the socket opening. Make sure that 2 to 3 layers are present in the key load-bearing areas. Be careful not to cover the olecranon area. Once the material has fully cured, remove the outer test socket from the model. Finally, transfer the MyoSmart electrode positions onto the inner test socket using a 5 mm drill.